For this equation, I think the best thing we can do here is get rid of these parentheses by distributing. And that's going to give us, or this becomes 1 over 12 equals 4/3 x. This is the same thing as just saying 4x over 3 plus 5x over 3 minus, we're going to get 35. 5 times 7 is 35, and then 3 times 4 is 12. And now I'm going to multiply everything through by the least common denominator. In this case, 3 can go into 12. Right, 3 times 4 is 12. So I'm going to multiply everything by 12. And that's going to make all the fractions go away, and this thing is going to be a lot easier to work with. So 12 times 1 over 12 is 1. And then we're going to distribute the 12 into here. 3 and 12 reduce to make it just 4 on top. 4 times 4x is 16x. Or I'll just write it like this: 4 times 4x. That's from the reduction of the 12 and the 3. And then once again, 3 and the 12 reduce, so we're going to get 4 times 5x. And then the 12 and the 12 cancel, and we're just left with this minus 35. And once again, I can do this because I'm multiplying both sides by 12. Whatever you do to one side of the equation, you have to do the other side. As long as you do that, then you're balancing it, and it won't change the equation at all. So we're going to get 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. Minus 35 here. I can combine like terms. Before I do anything to try and solve it, I'm going to combine the like terms to make it easier. 16 plus 20 is 36. And now I can solve the equation. So once again, using PEMDAS backwards, I'm going to first take care of the addition and subtraction. So I'm going to take care of this negative 35. Let's add 35 here. That's going to give me 36 equals 36x. Of course, divided by 36 gives me x equal to 1. Now we can, of course, test that. Plugging that into here, into the original equation, that's going to give us 1 over 12 equals 4/3, right? Because it's just times by 1, so it's not going to change anything. 5/3, then we get 1 minus 7/4. So 1 minus 7/4, this is going to really be written as 4 over 4 minus 7 over 4. And that way we have common denominators, and we can combine those. So 4 minus 7 is negative 3. We get 1 over 12 equals 4 over 3 plus 5 over 3 times negative 3 over 4. Those 3's cancel. This gives us 5 over 4. It's going to be negative as well. And now I just need to have common denominators here. So I'm going to multiply this one by 4 over 4, and this one by 3 over 3, so that they have 12 in the denominator. 16 over 12 minus 15 over 12, and that does in fact give us 1 over 12. So this is definitely the correct solution.